Hey y'all, so I wanted to show you how I turned these mirrors that I bought from Facebook Marketplace to something old and ugly to something very cute, modern, and very Pinteresty vibe. So stay tuned and watch my video. If you know me, you know I love to create things. I love to craft, and I'm just so creative with just anything to make them look better and look cute. So I bought these mirrors from Facebook Marketplace for like 40 bucks, and I decided to make them really cute for my apartment. So here are a few things that I used. I bought all of these things from Michael's. All of them are like under 10 bucks, especially the silver leaves. They can get pretty pricey. So yeah. Okay, so first step is to tape and cover the mirrors. You want to do this so that the acrylic paint won't get on the mirrors. It'll be very hard to get off if it does get on there. And the next step is to go ahead and prime the edges of the mirror with that white acrylic paint. You're going to need a few layers of this because the wood is so dark. So you're going to need this brush and to just go back and forth over and over in one spot so you can get like this solid white color that you see here. And you can see the vast difference, and you're going to need that solid white. So when the silver goes on top, it'll look great. And I use this inexpensive clear bowl I got from like the dollar store just to put my paint in, my white acrylic paint, so I won't make a mess. You're definitely gonna need that. So I went ahead and put those coats on using that brush, and it turned out pretty good. I mean, it's a very solid color of white, so that silver can bounce off of. Definitely prime. So this is one primed and one not primed. Solid white, it needs to be very solid so that silver can pop off of there. So the next step is going to be to add that tacky glue on the white so that you could of course add the silver, but definitely let that white dry. You're gonna see like that brown coming through, but that's completely fine because it just is. The silver is gonna cover it. You just want to make sure that you have a solid white color from the beginning. So you want to put a thin layer of this glue on top, and you don't want to cover like one solid side first. You just want to do a little bit, and then you add the silver leaves. So you want to brush a little bit on top, and then put that silver on top of the glue. So this is my first attempt. I put a lot of glue on there, and then this is how it turned out. It was really not as smooth as I would liked it to have been, but the sponge really helped to like really get in there, to get in those nicks and crannies. But definitely use a little bit of glue, spread it out, and then add the silver leaves, and then use that the sponge to tap on top. So this is in the progress of covering the entire mirror. As you can see, it's going on really well. It's very solid looking. It's coming. Look how cute it is. It's coming together so well. I was so impressed and so happy with my work, and it just looked really good. It looked legit. It looked solid. So here is the finished project. It's so cute, both of those mirrors, and here it is up on my wall, above my couch. So thank you guys for watching my video. I'll definitely have more videos to come, so stay tuned. Thank you.